Looking to elevate your dropshipping game? Here are the top 11 reliable suppliers you need to know. First up, Perfect Deals in Johannesburg offers the largest catalog of electronics and home appliances, with fast local delivery in just 3 to 5 days. Next, Gadget UIs in Cape Town specializes in tech gadgets, featuring brands like Xiaomi and OnePlus, and ensures automated order fulfillment. Shopstar is an all-in-one e-commerce platform with over 900 local products and South African-based support, perfect for seamless integration. For pet lovers, Cosmic Pets provides exclusive supplies for vet clinics and pet stores, with free shipping on orders over R2000. Third Wave Distribution focuses on imported electronics, ensuring quality-controlled shipments from Shenzhen. Men's Republic Distributors offers gadgets with white label packaging and real-time order tracking. Alaska brings you homeware and toys with a free reseller program, while Planet 54 boasts an impressive selection of clothing and accessories, delivering in just 3 to 5 days. The Scent specializes in fragrances with secure payment encryption and automated shipping notifications. Dropstore stands out as the largest marketplace with over 200 verified suppliers, offering zero minimum order quantities. Finally, Neat Freak provides niche home organization solutions, making sourcing a breeze. Dive into these suppliers and watch your business thrive.